Hi guys, I wanted to film a shower routine. I was really inspired by Arnell and Ron. I have eczema, so I like to use unscented stuff. I also use a wash rag. There was recently a tweet and it was like, do you guys change your washcloths every day or do you use the same one every week? Me personally, I use a new washcloth every day because that's disgusting. When they dry, they get like crinkly, and even when I do wring out all the water, I don't want to use the same washcloth. I use that in my ass. People were really trying to justify the fact that they don't use a new washcloth every day. They were like, do you change your toothbrush every day? Well, I don't know. I don't use it on my asshole. Anyway, and washcloths aren't even that expensive. The more rough and jagged the washcloth is, the better it is. So you can literally go so cheap for washcloths. Anyways, yeah, so I always use unscented stuff. I love this body scrub from Dove. I literally got it from my friends for Christmas, but I got myself too because I love the smell so much. It's so good. Anyways, thanks for watching. Sorry this video was short, and I'll see you guys in the next one.